Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. In today's video, I've got a random bunch of products with you guys that are totally my favorites and I absolutely love them, and they're really affordable and they work great. First product that I have with me is like one of my favorite. I've actually talked about this product in quite a lot of my videos and I actually like it. So this is basically the Plum Hawaiian Range Roomba Body Shower Gel. I think a couple of videos ago I said the entire bottle is over. I'm planning on purchasing a new one, but then I came across this packet online and I quite like it. They're just giving it in a beautiful pouch like that. Save the container, the pump container that you have, and you can actually pour it out into it and then keep some left over here, because this one is actually like 500 ml, I guess. Yeah, this is actually 500 ml and the bottle in itself is only 250 ml, I guess. I got it at a much higher discount, you guys. They say 750, which is too much. 520 is also too much. I think I paid around 400 something rupees for this entire pack of 500 ml of body wash. Packaging is so cute. It's a beautiful color combination and it comes with a twist up cap. You can just pour it out. It's just a new found thing that I just want to share with you guys because it's absolutely good. I wish they sponsored, because I've already spoken so much about this shower gel, but yeah, this is a genuine favorite of mine and I just totally like it. The next product that I have with me are like two products from the same brand called as Oziva. I don't know anything about this brand. Oziva foaming face wash and an Oziva serum, and I've never used serum till date in my life. It's been more than 2.5-3 years. I stopped applying anything and everything on my face completely, but then I came across this brand and actually they sent me the product and this is how it looks. There are so many different variants, like the acne variant, brightening variant, youth variant which is prevent from anti-aging, and they also have an anti-pigmentation variant, inner glow face wash, and this is called as the inner glow serum, and this is exactly how it looks. Now the quantity of this inner glow serum is quite less, but then the face wash seems to be a lot. The main ingredients that it has is like peony, saffron, turmeric and phytovitamin C. Now if you see the ingredients are completely clean and completely plant based. There are no added chemicals to it. It comes in a pump type format. It's called as a foaming face wash. You do a small pump of it, take a little bit of a scoop in the hand, just damp it up and just wash it on your face. And this is a pretty brand new product. I just got it delivered yesterday, so I haven't used any of these products just yet. Same thing goes for this inner glow serum as well. So this serum, since I told you I've never applied any serum in my life, I just took a little bit of the serum, applied on my hand just to see if it is accepting for my skin, and luckily it did not do anything to my hand. So now I'm going to try it on my face as well. But yeah, this is a pretty brand new product that I'm just going to give it a shot. It's been quite a while, almost like 2+ years or 3 years since I tried any new product on my skin, especially something that actually sits on the skin like a cream or a serum or something like that. The ingredients are very clean, the claims are really high, and moreover the reviews of these products below the products are like too good. Every girl has raved about this product a lot, so I don't know how far that is true, so I'm just going to give it a shot by myself. But in case if you are one of the girls who has actually used this product, then do let me know on the comments below. I'll definitely love to know about it, you guys. Coming to the price of it, this is about 649 rupees and this is about 449 rupees. You can just get a couple of discounts on it. It's a pretty brand new launch product, but it's got amazing reviews, which I am yet to try and actually see if this product actually works for my skin or not. Now, moving to one of my favorite products, I have tried it, used it, and I absolutely love it, and I just recommend all of you guys to buy it. Is this little product, you guys. This is called as the Goli Soda Neem Wood Comb, and this is exactly how it looks. It's a small wooden comb. It's very thick. It's from the brand Goli Soda, and look at the tooth of it, you guys. It's totally wide and it's totally amazing. So it's not gonna pull up any kind of hair from your scalp. It's amazing. Now it is made of neem wood. Now neem wood meaning it has its antibacterial properties and all of the good things. So it's like it's going to prevent any kind of infections and allergies and all of that on your scalp. It's really great for your hair. Then yeah, this is exactly how it looks. It's super smooth. It just runs through your hair and it's really awesome. I just love the fact about this. It's really a great purchase. Now this one is just for like about 200 rupees or something. It's too good. You should definitely give this a shot. If you are still using plastic comb, please ditch it completely. Stop buying all the plastic stuff and also like using the plastic combs. It's really not good for your scalp. It also provides anti-static. It's really nice. It just gives your hair a beautiful glow. I've been using a wooden comb for the past 6 to 7 years, I believe, but this is the first time I'm actually using a neem wood comb, and it's been more than 2 months I'm using it. I just love it a lot. It's the best thing that I actually got. So I'm gonna link this exact product down below because this is really good. There are so many other type of combs. Just randomly came across this product on Amazon. I just thought of giving it a shot, and I didn't know I'm gonna love it so much and it's gonna make it into my video. So yeah, it's really great. Do give it a shot. Must buy. It's really amazing. Now, another product that I actually came across is one of my old favorite. This is called as the Nykaa's Mattelicious lipstick. So this is called Nykaa's Mattelicious lip crayon. This is the product name, and it's in the shade Jade Rose. The Jade Rose is a very gorgeous shade. It's been 2 years, you guys, since I actually wore any lipstick or anything. I didn't know I had actually got 2 of it. It's a very subtle and neutral shade. It works really great. It doesn't look like you've applied something on your lips at all. Exactly how it looks is a very natural shade. It doesn't look like too much like a makeup person. It's a lip crayon, so it smoothly glides over your lips. It's just a beautiful finish, and it stays for hours together. I just love it. Even if the shade goes off, you have a slight tint on it on your lips. It just looks gorgeous and beautiful. I just love this a lot. It doesn't crack up or anything. It works perfectly great, but still I apply Maybelline Baby Lips and then apply this on top. That's exactly how I use it, and for now today's video I've worn this and I just quite like it. So this gotta be one of my favorite product, Jade Rose. Next most used and most favorite product of all of this I've actually showed to you is this little thing, you guys. This is called as the Nykaa Brow Powder, and I just absolutely love it. So I was actually shooting in one of the mall for a brand, and then in 2018 or 2019 I believe. Ever since that I've been loving the product, and I've actually repurchased a new one, you guys. This is the product that I've actually used it and I'm almost about to get it over with, and this is a brand new. So I do not spend any money on makeup or anything skincare or body care based, except for the regular body wash and regular face wash and a shampoo. I don't spend money on anything else. But this one is too good. Now you just have to open this out. It just comes like a beautiful sponge like thing. You just have to be very careful because it gives a super dark color to it. So if you're not really careful, it's gonna make you look like a ghost. But then this is so good, you guys. You just have to take a little bit of it and rub it across your brows. So this product is super great. It's so damn good. If you want some thick eyebrows without applying any much product to it, but it just looks really great and really natural, definitely do try it out. This little tube is gonna last for years together. If any one of the makeup product that you actually want to give it a shot, definitely give this a shot. It's the best product out of everything I showed to you. And if you want to have good hair care product that's gonna be the best product of everything, definitely give this a shot. It's only 200 bucks. It's too great. These are the products that are my random favorites. I've absolutely loved using them, and they are the best, and you should definitely check this out because they worked so great for me. So these are some of my random best favorites and best find products of all category.